So I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on your Snapchat Android phone. So if you're like me and you can never find out how to do it, this is the video for you. So first what you want to do is click over on your profile on the top left corner, and then from here you want to click on settings. And then now what you want to do is scroll down and find the support section and click on I need help. Alright, and then now once you're at here, you want to click contact us. And then now you want to click I need help with a Snapchat feature. So now you want to scroll down, and then basically what feature it is related to is related with your settings. So you want to go ahead and click on that. And then it says what do you need help with? You want to click on dark mode. So as you can see, it says, is dark mode available for Android? Unfortunately, dark mode is not currently available for Snapchatters on Android. It says that if you want to share feedback with us about dark mode, you can do it in the app. Yeah, so basically with Snapchat, it does not have the feature, it does not have the dark mode feature for Android users. So